All right there, everybody. Hello, this is Reverend Wilson, the direct mail expert. I am so pumped and excited. I could not sleep last night. Okay, I could not sleep last night. Now, I am going to present to you something here that is explosive, and I have to give hats off to my good friend Jason for introducing me to this about 24 hours ago. Okay, and as you can see, it is 7:07 a.m. So I get my cursor down here. 7:07 a.m. on the 16th, March the 16th. Okay, I could not sleep last night because I just wrapping my head around this powerful system. Folks, let me tell you something. You want to grab your cell phone, your iPad, whatever device you're using, and you want to go to the link and you want to click on buy now and pay the $7 one time, which will unlock unlimited commissions to you on autopilot. Folks, this is your chance to earn $500 plus daily income with a 100% done for you system. You talk about something that's newbie friendly. Now, you know that we promote and we market high ticket programs. This right here, folks, is user friendly for the beginner, the intermediate, and the experienced. And folks, for just $7, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. For $7, you have access to a powerful automated system that will sell for you, that will follow up for you, that will close even high ticket sales for you, and send you the commission. There's no monthly fee. Okay, it's $7. And you get this exact capture page right here that you're looking at right here. You would just go in here and put in your email address and yes, I want access. And once you do that, you're going to get access, okay, to this one page funnel system. It's making us 2,000 plus dollars daily passively. Here's how you can replicate. Folks, you do not have to do anything but just drive traffic to this capture page and let the page do everything else for you on autopilot. Automated system requires no technical skills and no hard work. Hello, no technical skills and no hard work. 100% done for you system works 24 hours, 7 days a week, and it's fully automated. Folks, I couldn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep. I talked to Jason about 1 in the morning. Like, man, I can't sleep. This is powerful. This is powerful. And here's the owner right here. And don't even ask me to pronounce his name, okay? Here's the owner right here. And this company is going to advertise or promote several offers to these leads. Okay? And when they purchase something, these people are cookied or tagged to you for life. And he's selling digital products, educational materials, self-help development. I mean, and you are going to receive the commission. And all you do is just drive traffic to your capture page. You know, if you're serious about making money online, you got to get with this $7 system. And I don't normally go for these little $7 programs. But folks, this right here, when Jason showed me this, I was like, what? I'm already driving traffic to the site. I'm already getting responses. My next video I'm going to show you commission emails that says you just got a commission. You just got a commission. You just got a commission. And folks, all you are doing is just simply driving traffic to your site, whether it be through free traffic methods that we're going to talk about or paid traffic methods that you can send low cost traffic to this page for like $5. Low cost traffic for like $5 to this page. This is incredible, okay? This is incredible. So you can go through the site here, okay? And what's going to happen is this system is going to build your email list for you, okay? This system is going to build your email list for you. This system is going to automatically follow up with your leads for you. This $7 system is going to automatically promote multiple offers so that you receive the commissions. This $7 system is going to close even high ticket sales for you. Now, as an example here, we got a Facebook page, okay, right here. You see we got 659 members in the Facebook page. All right, and you get access to this once you pay the $7. Okay, you get access to this private group where people are posting their results. They're posting their commissions. Okay, and they're posting even their high ticket commissions. Look, today, $166. Okay, these are people showing their results. Okay, showing their results all down here through the feed, and you have access to this. Look at this, $1,874, March the 15th. Passive income, $7 funnel produced $1,874. This is crazy, folks. This is crazy. So the group page, you get direct access as soon as you join with your $7. Okay. Now here's where the magic begins when you use this system. To start making money with the one-page funnel system, all you got to do, folks, is follow two simple steps. Number one, get your one-page funnel magic link. $7. Come on, $7. My wife goes to Starbucks and spends $7. She said it's actually $10.50. Folks, this is incredible. This is your opportunity to start making some passive money. Okay? No hard work. Automated system, $7. Okay? Now, this site explains everything. Everything that you need, this site explains. Okay? This is incredible. This is incredible. And I just wanted to, I know it's 7 o'clock in the morning, but I just had to get up here and share this. We have member testimonials. Member testimonials down here you can look at. Okay? Click here to join. $7 one time. Okay? No monthly. No hidden agenda. Come over here and lay down. Just $7. Let's get you started. And I'll be back a little later on. I'm going to show you some emails, my emails, okay, of commission proof. Okay, so go ahead and click on the link. Go ahead and pay the $7. It's going to take you right to um, your page and what to do, how to get your link. Everything is automatically set up for you, and you can start getting traffic to your link and start receiving commissions. Okay? It's simple. 100% done for you. So you just need to do some very simple work. Just get your one-page funnel link and send traffic to it. You can use the free traffic, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, the shorts, the Facebook Reels, okay? And you can use the paid traffic methods that's mentioned in the member area, okay? Our system will start converting your traffic into commissions for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop, okay? Non-stop. Now, the owner says that he could easily charge $100 plus for this system that's helping people make money. But he wanted to make this a small investment so that there's no excuses for anyone. No excuse. $7? There's no excuse. There's no excuse. $7. My 8-year-old neighbor kid got $7. Now, I don't know how long he's going to have this system at $7. Okay? So you need to go ahead and take your cell phone, take your iPad, take your device, whatever you're at right now, and finish this video right now and click on click here to buy and just pay the $7 one-time fee right now. Right now. Right now. Okay? Like right now. And then just text me. My information is in the description of the video. Just text me, hey, I just joined the $7 system. And I want to congratulate you when you do that. Okay? So go ahead and grab your cell phone, your iPad, your laptop, your PC, whatever you're using, and click on click here to pay and just pay the $7 one-time fee right now. And I welcome you to this one-page funnel that's going to produce commissions for you 24/7, 7 days a week, non-stop. God bless you.